Okay, so looking at this, we are trying to find the surface area of the cylinder when we want to round our answer to the nearest tenth. Okay, so when we're looking at this, so we're looking for the surface area of the cylinder, we're looking for the area of all of the surfaces. Okay, so we're going to be using our formula here, right? That the surface area of a cylinder is going to be equal to 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. Okay? What this is going to give us is the area of the two circles, the one on the top and the one on the bottom, and our lateral surface area, or the area of the rectangle that wraps around the cylinder. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and plug in what we know. So we're going to see that we can plug in 3 for our radius. So we're going to plug in 3 in for this r. We're going to plug in 3 for this r. We're also going to plug in h, which we can see is 7. So we're going to plug in 7 for our height. When we do this, we're going to end up with our surface area is equal to 2 times by pi times by 3 squared plus 2 times by pi times by 3 times by 7. Okay, now we're going to leave pi to the very last step here. So we're going to see that our surface area is going to be equal to 2 times by pi times by 9 plus 2 times by pi times by 21. Then I'm going to see my surface area is going to be equal to 18 pi plus 42 pi. Okay, now I'm going to find out my surface area is going to be equal to 18 plus 42, which is going to become 60 times by pi. Okay, now this right here would be what we call an exact answer. That's because we have pi involved here. It's written in terms of pi. We would have to approximate pi because pi is an irrational number. So if we're going to approximate, which we guess we have to do because it says round our answer to the nearest tenth, we're going to go ahead and grab our calculator, and we're going to take 60, and we're going to times it by 3.14 to approximate its value, and we see it's 188.4. So let's go ahead and check that, 188.4. And when we do that, we are good. Okay, we didn't have to change anything about our answer because we were already rounding to the nearest tenth because our answer only came out to the tenths place.